Hello everyone, I'm Shi Wei. Now in China is at night, so I have time to make a new video to you. These days we have make some videos about the smart power distribution box, but some people have leave message to us. They need the diagram of the power distribution box. These days, a kindly man now is my friend. He helped me make the diagram of the distribution box. It's very beautiful. I'm very thanks to him. Today I will show you the diagram he have drawn. It's very beautiful. We will look at this how distribution box works. If you want to see our DIY project of the distribution box, you can see our YouTube channel. Sorry, my English is not very well. My English is poor, so I just can only speak slowly. I'm a technique. So you can see many videos on this playlist, smart home DIY project, such as this and others. Today we will see the diagram based on these videos. These videos have one phase and three phase together distribution box. So now we will look at the diagram. This diagram based on the 32 channel relay box. The whole diagram is so beautiful, and I will tell you how to make this distribution box. Not only need the Kinkon's relay box, also you can use other Ethernet relay module to make and DIY a power distribution box by yourself. You can see this is the main controller, and from this the power is in, and this is three phase. These are power meter. You can install or not install, just according to you. The L1, L2, L3, and the natural line input and the output. And this MCB, this is brick, total brick, incoming brick, and 12 block. Then the power to this three line, and this is AC contact, and this have a 12 voltage power supply for controller and other device. The relay board also power supply for 12 voltage. And this is the manual control board for manual control. And this is voice control. This is Google. This is Alexa. If you want to use two modules, and the switchboard also use the S232 port. So 1, 2, 3. You can use this adapter. 1, 2, 3 server split adapter. So you can use 3 server port device at the same time. And this board manual control by switch panel or by remote. This is also 12 voltage power supply, and this is another power supply of 12 voltage. We suggest use another power supply, independent power supply. It will be good for the long distance. If you not use for long distance and not the environmental is bad, you can also input the power supply, connect with this power supply at the same time. But if you want to for long distance, sometimes we will avoid the interference signal in the power line, so we suggest use the independent power supply for this 12 voltage. And this is switch panel interface. You can connect with 32 and another all on and all off, total 34 switch panel. This is for 32 buttons, and this is 2 buttons. All these buttons use dry note type, so it's very easy to use. Just every button have one line to this input, and it have a common line, keyboard COM with this, and this also have a key-con and ground. This key-con ground and this key-con ground is the same. Just connect any other one is okay. And this have a 2 remote. Every remote have 16 channel, so total have 32 channel to remote control. This is controlled by remote, controlled by switch panel, and controlled by Alexa, and controlled by Google Home. This is a different control way. Now we will look at how control the brick and control the AC contact. We can see if you use 3-phase, so you can choose AC contact by 3-phase. I have example. This is 3-phase. So you can see total have four lines, L1, L2, L3, and natural. So this is 3-phase. And we can see this is single phase. Single phase, just choose the single phase AC contact. This is 3-phase. So it's different for you to use. When you use 3-phase or use single phase, how to control the AC contact turn on and turn off? Just use relay controller output a signal for 220 voltage to the AC contact. Then the AC contact will be closed. When AC contact closed, so the power will follow to the brick. And this is brick. This brick also have 2 kinds, and this is 3-phase brick, and this is single-phase brick. And output the brick, you can connect with your load, electronic load. So at last, this is the earth line. This power supply, 12 voltage, is for controller. And this is another power supply, 12 voltage. This is for the switch terminal board for the independent power supply. So I think you can understand how this diagram works. And also I will upload this diagram on our website. You can download, you can see clearly and see slowly. And there is another diagram, just this position is different. This all is the same. You can see you can see the switch panel. Every switch panel is 4 key. So you can not only use one panel with 32 buttons, but also you can, instead of any buttons switch panel, just according your demand. And now we see the last one. The last one have a keyboard. This is a menu control board, just 32 buttons on one PCB board. So if you want to install the board inside of your distribution box, you can use this one. And in our video, we also install this one. Because this is large, this is better installed on the wall outside our distribution box. And this is good for install inside. And these photos all show you how to connect with the device and use the relay board to make the smart power distribution box. Now we will see some samples. This is some photos from our customer. They sent to me. I can show you. We can see this is farmer, and this is the 32 controller connect with the relay. In this picture, he not use AC conduct, use the relay for large power directly. And this is box is working in farm, is for agriculture. And this is for electronic office project. This relay channels power control, and also use 32 channels. We also have a video for this project.
Hello. So what happens is we have our main board connected to the wires on our board using these detectors. So all the load.
This video taken by mobile phone, so the size is small.
When we perform any action, we actually control that by the number of conductors we have. We have in total, I think, more than 32 conductors because we're using some manual conducting switching here as well. But that's the current situation. And what happens is when so on here we have number 3 and number 4 on, number 8 and number 10 on. So what we have the same thing on the board front end. We have the number 3 on, we have the number 4 on, and this is actually the switch that controls the whole situation here. What it does is it allows us to run everything on automatic. So if these switches are on the left side, it controls via board, but if we can turn that board manually off. So this is now, even if it's on from the board, it will still off, and this will manually turn on that thing. So now when the thing is on the left side, this don't even require the board input. This is for overwriting what the board is sending as an input.
And this video is for our customer project. And this is also, you can see how to install on the DIN rail. This customer also have make a fixed on the bottom by themselves. you can see this video is recorded by him. You can install the relay module by this way. This is the DIY way. It's very stable. Also, this is 32 channel for the power distribution box. It's very large. And this is 8 channel. And this is another. And this is 18 channel. And also this is many channels. This is we make the video, the progress, we take the video, how to DIY. You can find a box. According to your channel number, the box can be very small and can be very large. And this is another connection way. You can see this is 32 channel and this is switch terminal board. And in this operation, he not use the AC contact. This is a solid state relay. What's between the solid state relay and the AC contact? This is controlling the on-off by the electronic parts, and this is physical. This physical, so when it control will have sound. But when this solid state relay control on and off, they are without sound. But this suit for low power, and this AC contact is physical for the large power. Also, this surface will have sound, and also this single phase will have sound. Now, all these photos I think can help you to DIY the smart power distribution box. So if you have any questions, you can leave message to us. We will help you, and we will, according to your questions, we can make new video upload to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.